Good morning ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to Bowen's Garage. This is our latest arrival, 2020, on a 20 plate Renault Captur Energy Iconic. This is the 0.9 turbocharged petrol with a 5-speed manual gearbox and 5 doors, finished in Mercury silver metallic with black roof and black mirror caps, and it's covered just 14,000 miles. So we'll have a good walk around this very low mileage Renault Captur. Always popular with us, these Capturs. They tick an awful lot of boxes. It's got these cracking looking 17-inch diamond cut alloy wheels with matching Continental premium branded tyres all the way round. Properly well looked after car, just 14,000 miles from 2 owners with a full 5-stamp service history, serviced annually from new. So despite the very low mileage, been properly well maintained. £190 a year to tax, as with all cars of this age. 50 miles to the gallon on a combined run. According to Renault, the 0.9 turbocharged engine produces 90 brake horsepower, so it goes really nicely with that 5-speed manual gearbox. Sensible low insurance group as well, and obviously on these Capturs you benefit from having a nice high up seating position, so it does allow for easier access and really good visibility. Lovely colour combination as well, and it's got a cracking level of specification. As we have a look inside, it's got this dark interior with the much lighter tops of the seats, which I think is a really nice contrast. All in really good condition throughout. The whole car's in fantastic nick. All the door cards in good shape. 4 electric windows, electronically adjustable and power folding door mirrors. It's got its original carpet mats, start stop facility which you can switch off. Steering wheel's in perfect condition really. You've got controls there for your cruise control, automatic lights. You've got Bluetooth controls down below. There's your mileage, 14,657. Manual handbrake. You've got a couple of cup holders, a bit of storage at the back with a 12-volt socket, and then you've got cruise control with a speed limiter. You've got an eco button, 5-speed manual gearbox with a nice top to the gear stick. 2 remote keys come supplied with the car. You've got another 12-volt socket, it's a push-button start. In the glove box you've got all your handbooks. Bit of storage up on the top, that pops open. And then down to your infotainment system, so you've got satellite navigation which is built in, you've got Bluetooth for your telephone, you've got DAB digital radio, you've got a USB and auxiliary input, and then you've got your air conditioning down below. Very straightforward setup, but obviously very easy to use, nice and high up off the ground. Looks great with the black roof. Into the back again you've got your carpet mats, electric windows in the rear, 3 seat belts, 3 proper headrests, ISOFIX for the child seats, so really comfortable 5-seater, quite a square shape, so it does give you plenty of room in there. And then into the boot space, really nice flat loading area. You've got a secondary layer underneath which gives you loads more space. Again, really clean and tidy. And that's about all there is to it. 2020 Renault Captur Energy Iconic, 14,000 miles, 5 services, sat nav, all the nice bits. Finance is available of course, and we do work on an appointment only basis, so if you would like to come and view, please do give us a call, 01989 769 900, or have a look at the website.